At our One Smile clinics, we are able to offer our patients, as well as referred patients, a wide range of oral surgery services. These can be delivered under local anaesthesia and intravenous sedation. The oral surgery services we offer include surgical extractions, wisdom tooth removal, apical surgery and pre-orthodontic surgery.
At our West End One Smile clinic, we offer sedation to all our nervous and anxious patients for all different kinds of treatment. We run sedation clinics regularly, so we're able to offer all patients regular appointments for treatment to be carried out. As well as treating our own patients, we are also a referral practice for IV sedation and can carry out any kind of general dentistry and oral surgery. We offer our sedation and general dentistry services under the NHS to always help keep the patient's costs down. We have practices referred to us from all over Glasgow, and our One Smile team, including the dentists, nurses and receptionists, always work closely to make sure that the patient's interest is always put first.
6 Month Smiles is the modern twist in the orthodontic world, and we're very proud to be able to offer our patients this option. The main attraction of 6 Month Smiles is the length of time it takes for your teeth to straighten. The usual time period for braces is around 2 to 3 years, but with the new technology from 6 Month Smiles, we can get the results you want in only 6 months, which is great for busy professional people. Another benefit is that braces are tooth coloured, making them almost impossible to notice in the mouth. 6 Month Smiles has become a very popular product. All my patients have been very happy with the end result.
Our One Smile clinic on Renfield Street has been a dental practice for over 50 years. It is situated in one of the busiest areas of the city centre, just a 30 seconds walk from Glasgow Central Station. Our practice is in a prime location for nearby workers, and we are open 2 late nights every week to accommodate your working hours. We offer a full range of services from simple fillings to tooth whitening, braces and dental implants. We are fully computerised and use modern equipment including digital radiographs which appear on our computer screens within seconds.
I would describe my treatment at Renfield Dental Care as excellent. From the staff to the professional advice to the professional care has been absolutely first class. Well, originally I chose it when I moved to Glasgow because it was recommended online as one of the best. I was extremely happy with the treatment at the dental clinic. Mainly because of the way I was taken through the treatment and support that I was given, and the professional advice.
The staff was very professional. They made sure that I was comfortable. They asked me every few minutes to see what was going on, and after each set they explained what was going to happen next. My dentist Jane asked if I was okay. She asked me quite a few times to check up on me, and there was no problems at all.
My overall experience at Renfield Street Dental Care was fantastic. The staff were brilliant. Opening times are perfectly to accommodate my needs. I found Renfield Street Dental Care on Google. I was looking for an NHS dentist in Glasgow city centre.
I think working within the city centre, it's important for me to have services that are handy nearby, and the practice itself, it's very, very close to where I work.
Dental implants have been around for many years. They're now seen as being a good option to replace missing teeth. We will of course talk you through all the options. There are several different types of implants, and implants can be used to either replace one tooth or several teeth. We take great care and pride in the way we deliver. The materials that we use are backed up by years of research. We use the finest quality implants. We will always endeavour to use the finest quality components. The advantage we have at One Smile Clinics is that we have the full range of personnel who will guide you through all the options and allow you to make your own decision.